Karma Guy here. Ready for a rare find? Check out this 1991 Chevrolet CK1500 Cheyenne regular cab, an extremely rare classic with low miles, only 91K, and a clean Carfax to back it up. This beauty is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile quality plus warranty, and comes with a 5-year maintenance plan option at a discounted price. It's been well maintained, with dealer service history and a recent service valued at over $615, including new spark plugs, a fresh battery, and an oil filter change. Want even more peace of mind? Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade available at the time of sale. Don't wait. Rare classics like this don't last long. Call today and make this timeless Cheyenne yours before it's gone.